Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer but thinks, really takes time to understand and reason through complex problems. That's exactly what the ChatGPT o1-Preview brings to the table. We're talking next-level problem-solving in science, math, and coding. Ready to see how this update redefines what AI can do? Let's dive in. Welcome to the future of AI. OpenAI just launched the o1-Preview, and trust me, this update is a massive leap forward. Whether you're a developer, student, or just an AI enthusiast, this model is designed to handle harder, more complex tasks than ever before. What sets this model apart? It's not just speed or accuracy. This time, it's about reasoning. The o1-Preview is designed to spend more time thinking before responding, allowing it to tackle advanced tasks like complex logic puzzles, scientific problems, and even competitive programming challenges. OpenAI's research shows the o1-Preview ranking in the 89th percentile on competitive programming tests like Codeforces, and it even competes with top students in the USA Math Olympiad. That's AI solving problems at a PhD level in physics, biology, and chemistry. Can you imagine the possibilities? Not only that, there's also the o1 mini version, which focuses on math and coding, almost matching the performance of o1-Preview at a much faster and 80% cheaper rate. Perfect for developers needing quick solutions without compromising quality. I am extremely excited to run a test on it. Let's see what it can do. Oh my god, I must say I am impressed. However, no model comes without some limitations, so let's put light on what are the limitations of GPT o1-Preview. Well, the GPT o1-Preview and GPT o1 Mini are only accessible on and above Tier 5 API accounts. I already have the account, that's why I can access the model. If you are not in Tier 5, then you might not have access to this amazing mindful GPT. Furthermore, even in the top-tier account, the limit is 30 messages a week for o1-Preview and 50 messages a week for o1 Mini. Honestly, this is something OpenAI really needs to work on. So, is ChatGPT o1-Preview worth the hype? Absolutely. Whether you're solving complex problems or just curious about how smart AI can get, this update changes everything. So, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let me know. What's the first challenge you throw at the new o1 model? Oh, and also visit our website too to find numerous tools being reviewed with utmost honesty. See you in the next video.